Imagine holding a wallet, not a regular one, a wallet with $1,000 in it. But this wallet could crash a whole country. What if I told you that one small app on your phone could shake banks, governments, even your savings? One small ripple, and everything could be affected. To understand the wallet, we need to go back. This country had a fragile financial system. Banks, digital money, and trust, they balanced like blocks in a tower. One wrong move, and it could topple. This isn't your grandma's wallet. Instant payments. No bank needed. Anyone could use it, and it could hold $1,000. More than most people have in cash. One wallet seems small, but thousands, millions moving $1,000 at once, banks aren't ready. Governments aren't ready. It's like a dam with a crack, and when it bursts, it could crash the economy. People loved it. Social media exploded. Banks started sweating. They had no idea what was coming, and some saw a chance to make money fast. Every post made the wallet more popular. It was viral before banks could react. Banks sent alerts, but users ignored them. Everyone wanted a $1,000 wallet. Could a single app outsmart a whole financial system? Then it happened. Millions of wallets. Thousands of transactions every second. Servers crashed. ATMs ran out of cash. Money moved faster than anyone could track. Emergency meetings stopped the wallets. But digital money moves faster than laws. Some people ignore the rules completely. Wallets were used for shady deals. People lost savings. Trust crumbled. Could a single $1,000 wallet destroy the economy? Yes, fees rose. Prices jumped. The economy wobbled. One small app caused a chain reaction. And then, the turning point came. News stations went crazy. Everyone was talking about the $1,000 wallet. Even people who didn't own it felt the panic. Banks tried to manage, limit transactions, freeze accounts, patch servers, but the surge was relentless. Could they ever catch up? People panicked. They couldn't access cash. Prices spiked. The country's economy teetered, all from one $1,000 wallet app. 3 tech experts stepped in. Servers stabilized. Rules updated. Slowly, the chaos slowed. But trust doesn't return overnight. Governments learned fast. Regulations introduced. Wallets could be tracked. Systems patched. Lessons were learned the hard way. Users adapted. Responsible use returned. Savings restored. Confidence slowly rebuilt. Could the next app cause the same chaos? Money is just numbers. Trust makes it real. One small wallet reminded us all, never underestimate fast change. Even tiny apps can have giant effects. The $1,000 wallet became legend. Schools, blogs, even memes talked about it. It changed how people thought about money. And it all started with a simple app. Next time you download a wallet app, remember this story. Powerful, but dangerous if not careful. Technology moves faster than our rules. Be smart. Learn about your money. Stay curious. The next wallet could change the world. Even small tools can have giant effects. Knowledge is your superpower. The $1,000 wallet taught us that. Explore, learn, but always be cautious. Trust, money, and tech all connected. Who knows what the next wallet could do? This is the story of one small wallet that shook a country.